How to see location of people in Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all you have to do is launch your Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account over here on the Snapchat application. Now, as I have logged into your account over here as well, it will land you to the home page of Snapchat application. So let's just open up the Snapchat application over here. And then all you have to do is just go to your chat section and select any of the person that you want to see the location of. So what you have got to do is just tap on the person's profile and then tap on the profile as well. And then here on the Snap Map, you can see the location as well as a tap on it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.